Introduction to French for Tourism.
Bonjour et bienvenue sur ma chaîne, le français du tourisme.
Hello and welcome to my channel, French for Tourism. My name is Eileen. This channel is dedicated to tourism students studying French as their foreign language of choice, and anyone in the tourism industry, as well as persons interested in learning the French language for tourism purposes. Let's get started. Why do we need to learn a foreign language? 1. It boosts academic achievement. Language learning supports academic achievement. This is true for English-speaking students studying a foreign language, as well as English language learners in bilingual and immersion programs. It also boosts academic outcomes at the college level. Being bilingual has also been shown to especially benefit low-income children in terms of their ability to direct and focus their attention when distractions were present. Another study found that kids whose families spoke a second language at home scored better on cognitive tests than those whose family only spoke one language. 2. It provides professional and career advantages. Foreign language skills are associated with increased job opportunities. Demand for bilingual workers has doubled from 2010 to 2015. A career in the tourism and hospitality industry requires proficiency in various languages around the world. 3. It also provides broader access to education and information. If you speak another language, you could earn a degree in another country, which could end up being a less expensive way to get a college education. If nothing else, it at least enables you to better enjoy studying abroad and to learn more than you would if you only spoke English. 4. It gives you more social and global skills. As more than 60 million people in the US speak a language other than English at home, those who only speak English miss out on being able to directly communicate in the mother tongue of many friends and neighbors. Language learners also tend to develop a more positive attitude toward both the language and the culture of the country where it is spoken. So why the French language? 1. It is a world language. More than 300 million people speak French on the 5 continents. The
O.I.F,
an international organization of French-speaking countries, comprises 88 member states and governments. French is the second most widely learned foreign language after English, and the 5th most widely spoken language in the world. French is also the only language, alongside English, that is taught in every country in the world. France operates the biggest international network of cultural institutes, which run French language courses for close on 1 million learners. 2. It is a language for the international job market. The ability to speak French and English is an advantage on the international job market. A knowledge of French opens the doors of French companies in France and other French-speaking parts of the world. As one of the world's largest economies and a leading destination for foreign investment, France is a key economic partner. 3. It is a language of culture. French is the international language of cooking, fashion, theatre, the visual arts, dance and architecture. A knowledge of French offers access to great works of literature in the original French, as well as films and songs. French is the language of
Victor Hugo, Molière, Léopold Sédar Senghor, Édith Piaf, Jean-Paul Sartre, Alain Delon and Zinedine Zidane.
4. It is a language for travel. France is the world's top tourist destination and attracts more than 87 million visitors a year. The ability to speak even a little French makes it so much more enjoyable to visit Paris and all the regions of France, and offers insights into France's culture and way of life. French also comes in handy when traveling to French-speaking parts of the world. 5. It is a language for higher education. Speaking French opens up opportunities to study at renowned French universities and business schools, ranked among the top higher education institutions in Europe and the world. 6. French is the other language of international relations. French is both a working language and an official language of the United Nations, the European Union, UNESCO, NATO, the International Olympic Committee, the International Red Cross and international courts. French is the language of the 3 cities where the EU institutions are headquartered: Strasbourg, Brussels and Luxembourg. 7. It is a language that opens up the world. An ability to understand French provides access to an alternative view of the world. You can follow French thinkers and leaders from all over the world and news from the leading French language international media, e.g.
TV5 Monde,
France 24 and
Radio France Internationale.
8. French language is fun to learn. French is an easy language to learn. There are many methods on the market that make learning French enjoyable for children and adults alike. 9. French is a language for learning other languages. French is a good base for learning other languages, especially Romance languages, Spanish, Italian, Portuguese and Romanian, as well as English, since a significant percentage of English vocabulary is derived from French. 10. It is the language of love and reason. First and foremost, learning French is the pleasure of learning a beautiful, rich, melodious language that is often called the language of love. French is also an analytical language that structures thought and develops critical thinking, which is a valuable skill for discussions and negotiations. Thank you for sticking to the end of this video. If you like this video, click the like button and share. Subscribe for more videos like this.
Au revoir.
And goodbye.